Shanghai Techway Industrial Company Limited is located in the international metropolis Shanghai, which was founded in 2008. The business scope is garden tools and machinery, such as lawnmower, brush cutter, chainsaw, leaf blower, hose reel, water pump, seeder, tiller, sprayer, log splitter, and other related products. Better tools and better life are our belief. We aim to service every possible client. So far, we have long-term clients from Poland, Germany, Mexico, Australian, Philippines, England, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, and so on. And we are on the way to every corner of the world. We mean to create a better life, better service for you, for me, and for entire human race. Our engineer and QC are working in our factory for more than 10 years. They have rich experiences on the products. The raw materials are chosen from more than 10 to 20 potential suppliers. The qualified supplier must be approved by documents, license, actual working checking, and sample testing. So we always keep long-term business relationship with each approved supplier. In short, to keep the order consistency for customer. We have very strict procedure to control the quality and production of each product. Our team are very young, professional, and well-educated. Staff training, every work make us look back to ourselves and service your better. Do not wait. Contact with us to experience qualified products and professional service.
Our business group is garden machinery such as lawnmower, brush cutter, chainsaw, log splitter, and related products. Better tools, better life is our belief. We aim to service every possible client in the world. We have very strict procedure to control the quality and the production of every product. Do not wait. Contact with us. Experience the qualified products and professional service.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.